Welcome to the CloudXentral video tutorials. Today we're going to take a look at the Do Not Disturb feature on our phone system. If you don't use the CloudXentral's business phone system, head over to our website at cloudcentral.com to check out our powerful communication tools at unbeatable prices. Let's get started with this tutorial. So the Do Not Disturb feature is an option you can enable to have incoming calls go straight to voicemail. You can use this when you are in a meeting, out to lunch, or you just need some privacy. Now, this is a reason why most people call our customer service line. They ask, why aren't my calls coming in? Or my phone isn't ringing. It's probably because Do Not Disturb is on. I'm going to show you how to enable it on mobile and desktop apps, as well as on the IP phones. So here on the communicator, you can click on the phone button. You will see the dial pad, and right below the dial pad, you will see the DND button. This is the Do Not Disturb button. When you click on this button, calls will be sent straight to voicemail and your phone will not ring. If this button is on, you will see this icon here change to let you know Do Not Disturb is active. Press Do Not Disturb again and it will be disabled. If you do not have the DND button, you may dial *78 and then the call button on any device to enable Do Not Disturb.
Do Not Disturb enabled.
As you can see here, it has been enabled. Then dial *79 and the call button to disable Do Not Disturb.
Do Not Disturb disabled.
And there, it has been disabled. Calls will now start coming in as normal. Let's see it on the Communicator Go app. There are a couple of ways to do this. Tap on the phone button on the bar below and dial *78 to enable Do Not Disturb. If you don't see the phone button on the bar below, tap the More arrow and you'll probably see the phone button there. The other way to activate Do Not Disturb is on the dashboard. Tap on the More button below if you don't see the Dashboard button. Then tap on Dashboard, and below you will see the Do Not Disturb button. In my case, it is active because I just turned it on. Now if you tap on the phone button or directory or chats, you will see a yellow notification bell icon on the top left. If you tap on it, it will read Do Not Disturb is enabled. I'm going to turn it off to allow calls to start coming in. Okay, now let's take a look at this option on an IP phone. Some IP phones have this button for Do Not Disturb. Others have the letters DND. This one has a soft key. You can press it to enable it and press it again to disable it. Take a look at my screen here. It shows DND is enabled. If your IP phone does not have this button, dial *78 to enable it and *79 to disable it. And that's all for now. Subscribe to our channel for more video tutorials, give us a like to let us know it was helpful, and visit our website at cloudcentral.com for more information about the business communication tools we offer to help your business become more effective and thus more successful.